Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's date is 13th of August 2022 and today's topic is static keyword used in Java. The word static is the very important concept in Java as this static is used for the memory management in Java. So let's understand why. So, the static keyword in Java is used to share some variable or method of a given class. The users can apply the static keywords with variable, methods, block and nested classes. And by using this static keyword, it is no need to create the objects. Without creating the object, we can call the method from another method from the same class. Okay, then the static keyword belongs to the class than the instance of the class. This is the also very important statement. The static keyword is used for a constant variable or a method that is the same for every instance of the class. That means this is used for the constant variable or method, and that method should be same for the instance of the same class. So this static keyword is a non-access modifier in the Java. So there are two types, access modifiers and non-access modifiers. So this static comes under the non-access modifier in Java. It is applicable for blocks, variables, methods and classes. This is the very important concept that it is applicable for blocks, variables, method and classes. Also, one thing to remember about the static is to create the static member. And that static member can be block, that can be variable, that can be method, that can be nested class, precedes its declaration with the keyword static. That means if we want to apply the static, so in that we have to use the static word in the declaration of that particular member, like block, variable, method or the nested class. When the member is declared as a static, as we know that the members are block, variable, method or nested class. So when these members are declared as a static, they can be accessed before any object of its class are created. That means I said that without creating the object, we can access the methods, or we can call the methods or any member by using the keyword static. So so here the important concept is that this can be the member of a class member can be accessed before any object of its class are created and without reference to any object. This is about the static keyword in Java. Thank you.